Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix switch youtube.com error in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your YouTube up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here YouTube. Here you check your YouTube up to date or not. If not, then update from here. If already up to date, then go back. Open your setting. Go to the apps. Then search here YouTube. Press on force stop. Then press on force stop. After doing this, open storage. Then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing both methods, check your problem solved or not. If not, wait for some time. If any issue with YouTube, then automatically resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.